So it's spraying out of the side of that.
Okay. Just lock the bottom lock. What'd you say? I missed.
It's spraying out of the seam right here.
Oh yeah.
I'll just put this one I'm putting in is a Zoller. It's a little bit better than this. It's a little bit better than what you got in there.
Okay. Well, I'm glad she had your number.
Yeah, you got a lot of stuff on the ground in here. If this electricity fails or something, you're gonna have problems. Oh, this thing's full. There's the parts missing in it. There's supposed to be a flapper in there.
Oh.
Okay. It's leaking right out of that seam right there.
Oh, it's like when it's always a problem when the weather gets bad.
Okay.
You play golf?
No, I used to play frisbee golf.
Oh, okay.
That's a little different though. So that's how you replace a check valve. Sump pump check valve. The arrow's got to be pointing up. So it should be good now. Put the hole right in the center of the lid. It should have been over a little bit, or that should have been longer. No biggie. But yeah, we can put emergency water backup pump. We just tie in your water line here and run it to that pump that runs off of water pressure. City water pressure doesn't usually go out. But electricity fails, you know.
Oh yeah, I know.
They also have battery backups, but they're just so weak. Those water power backup ones are really good. But if you don't know that it's activated, like if your circuit fails or the pump fails and the pump kicks on, if you don't have an alarm, your water bill could go. I've seen one guy's water bill was $2,000. He went on vacation, he had one of those pumps, he didn't have an alarm. So he had me put one in that works off Wi-Fi. You could also get hooked up from your alarm company. If you have an alarm company, oh, there you go. They'll send you a thing that you can hook up down here, or your tech will come hook it up, and the alarm company will warn you. You won't even have to buy an alarm.
Say that again now. This
Call
one?
you. Call your alarm company, tell them you want an alarm on your sump pump.
Uh-huh.
And then they'll notify you.
Oh, okay.
You won't have to buy an alarm.
Oh, okay.
That'll be awesome for you.
That sure sounds pretty good.
Yeah. If it's free, it's for me. That's what I always say.
So it ain't leaking now, right?
No, sir.
She ran to the bank around the corner.
Oh, okay.
Get some